Yeah, man, I checked out the land for you, but those people want to do it for residential purposes. But I'm trying to convince them that it's really better for farming.
Respect it and nice because you go all out for the land thing, you know. Really appreciate it.
Listen, I told you I was going to do a deep search, and that is what I am doing.
I mean, I tell you, so you sound like a secret agent when you talk about them deep search thing there.
No, nothing like that.
So how the place around here now? You alone there still?
Mega!
Yeah.
Forward, I need to talk to you.
Go ahead.
Me ask you something. Are you tell your man which part me there?
What is from my father? Trevor, you know if I'm with me to say Alfred?
Well, no one did. Sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not.
So why you don't just formally take on a position there? Like how you basically help them out and you know you tell me say them it's like a barter system because you stay but because you do such a good job I think you should just take it on full time for now.
I don't think that's a good idea, Mr. Lindo. But
Nice.
by the way,
Nice. Hear me, I said, you can call me numbers, you know. And that most of my friends them call me, you know. So you can call me numbers.
I hate numbers, but how did you like your stay?
When I don't tell you say my style that already. And then you kind of life them I like, you know. I'm not bash the 5-star place them, but as a man where come from the soil, you know. I don't mind them kind of quiet lifestyle and you'd have good company, so make it even better.
You know, I think you should actually go a weekend stay, though, like a 2-day or 3 days.
Is that an invitation?
Most definitely is.
Sure, so your boss now go pray because sometimes we don't even too like when man move, you know.
Numbers. Actually, I already done books. I mean, Trevor is not my boss. I'm just helping them out.
Hold on, the nice. Will you just call him?
Books is just his pet name.
Bugsy.
So how him know which part my place there? Right now I'm coming like a terrorist in my life, you know.
Terrorists? Listen to me, man. That not have nothing to do with me.
Mega. And you me come check, you know. And the man come here so I'm not going like him want to style me, you know. And then him find my place.
So where really go on, Trevor? Where really go on, Daddy?
The man come down on my place and start tell her Camille how me lend you money and all of them something there.
Camille?
Yeah.
Jesus, Jaja.
And right now Camille just a pray me.
Jaja, I don't understand where going. From I see Alfred the last time out, so I don't see back that man there, you know.
Pet name.
You know him?
I tell you, say, I know, say, I used to do the juggling because I used to hear the name. But I used to also hear the name Bugsy. And the man them we used to have a group of youth where some serious youth them, you know. The man they used to make some transaction and take people things and don't give them the money for it. You see about the Bugsy crew. Now when they
But
find
he
the
has
same one.
No numbers. He has changed that aspect of his life.
Yeah, but even if him change that aspect of his life, that not means him never used to do it.
I understand.
Bugsy. Nice. We have a circle down there for a weekend. I'm going to make you know which weekend I forward here.
No problem. Just let me know and I'll have something sorted for you.
No man, that time I kind of want to support the thing, you know. Because yesterday I see them talk and I don't know, I never really like how the talk look. Because you tell them say the room was complimentary.
Numbers, I covered that. That's nothing to worry about. Okay?
Alright, if you say so. I'll go up on the road for a minute, but if anything, I shout you later, yeah?
Alright, you just be careful on the road now, okay?
Love the concern. Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, numbers. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Bugsy.
You know, some I got tell you for warn him. I come like say him have a woman down there, no. Cause up to yesterday, him come down there.
Hold on. Woman? No. Stick a pin. How she look?
Well, she work with me, you know. And she's slim.
Work with you.
Yeah.
Slim. And a big body. And a over so.
Reasonable size, but not big.
Oh. So Anna Lana. It's a different woman this. Me have to go another body.